All right, everybody. As you start coming in, I want to first and foremost say, give thanks and gratitude for what we have, where we are today, and where we're going in the future. And thankful to be here another day to support our goals and our dreams. Hope you guys had a great weekend and that you are going to have a productive week. Now, it is Monday, and this is my actually third broadcast of the day. Third broadcast. I did a crypto talk early this morning. Then I did a IMC token dream mode, showing you guys the power and the value of why you want to add the IMC token to your portfolio. And now I got a surprise today. You know, on September 18th is an event happening in Houston, Texas. And we're going to be tokenizing a company, a brand called Grandpa's Secret. Now, you can go to grandpassecret.com to see the company. Now, this is not an MLM company. This is not a network marketing company. There is no affiliate program to this. It's a mom and pop type shop company that has a health and wellness holistic product. Very, very successful, helping a lot of people around the world. And the creator and founder and the CEO is a gentleman by the name of Dr. Kang. And he realizes what I have always been talking about, that blockchain technology is going to disrupt the entire world. And he wants to move into this new technology, so he wants to tokenize his brand, tokenize his company. So on September 18th in Houston, Texas, we will be there to tokenize Grandpa's Secret launch, so everybody has an opportunity to get their hands on a piece of Grandpa's Secret. So in the process, I'm going to show you, I have not opened this up at all. I'm going to open it up as I'm talking to you. He sent me a box of products. So if you were to go to grandpassecret.com, you could see all of the products that they offer and that's available, that you can have. And I can't wait to try these products out. And it also, if you were to go to the grandpassecret.io, go to that website, and you're going to see testimonials from people who's actually using this product and what it's doing for them in their health. Now, I walk 4 to 7 miles a day. It depends on the day. And so I'm all into health and wellness right now, and you know, making sure our body is taken care of. So let's see what we have here. I was just talking about this. This is like Christmas. Oh wow. Limitless Power Group Inc. What's he hooking me up with here? So I'll show you this, what we got inside here. We got the blood cleanse. See that? Blood cleanse, Grandpa's Secrets. What else we got here? Breath of Life. I saw a testimonial. A little girl that was using this. I guess her nose was stuffed up or whatever, and she was just smelling on this. Awesome. Breath of Life. The Wakanda bar. That's what I'm talking about. I need to take a picture of me with this. The Wakanda bar. Grandpa's kidney, liver, and gallbladder. Kidney, liver, and gallbladder. Superfood, multivitamin. Superfood. Inflammation and Survivor blend. Inflammation and Survivor blend. Look at this. Diet Rockstar Super Cleanse. Another Wakanda bar. Oh, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that. And then you can see this. A whole case of Black Panther. That's what I'm talking about. You know, this stuff probably has to cost at least $500. Wow, wow. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have fun with this stuff. So first and foremost, I want to thank Dr. Kang for hooking me up. I can't wait to go through a consultation with him to cleanse our body and have natural holistic healing. And we are going to be in Houston September 18th. Anybody who is in Houston, you want to be at that event. It's going to be a red carpet event. It's going to be celebrities. It's going to be Lamborghinis. Everybody's be dressed to impress. And we're going to be launching and get your hands on the brand new token. You can look at the project, or if you want to have free tokens, send me a private message and I'll send you a link that you can register and get free Grandpa Secrets tokens that will be airdropped to you after the launch. So send me a message for that. I'll be there for 4 days, so I'll be doing private crypto consultations while I'm down there as well. So I can't wait to help Dr. Kang launch the Grandpa Secret token and see you all there. That's it. Take care, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.